Hi peoples, welcome back to my channel, Bernie Playing with Makeup. My name is Bernadette. All my friends and subscribers call me Bernie. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you can call me Bernie. How are you doing? How was your day? It is Sunday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. I'm sorry you have to go back to work tomorrow. I wish I could say I miss waking up early on Mondays for work, but kind of sort of don't. I don't. You guys know how much I struggle with my eyebrows. I mean, if you look at them, you can see like they are just not shaped anything like each other. I know our eyebrows aren't twins. They're supposed to at least be sisters, right? Mine's, as you can see, they are total foreigners. It's like they have never met each other before. Even when I go and have them professionally done, I was really hoping the person who did them, that she would be able to at least have them looking like they knew each other, and she struggled on this brow here. This one here is the struggle one. What I've been doing to kind of help me at least make them look like they should be on the same face, I've been using stencils to map them out. And these stencils are from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This pack comes with several different shapes, so it's 5 different options you have. It has the medium arch, the full arch, and then there's a high arch. And these are the 2 that I normally play with, which is the petite arch and a slim arch. I don't like my eyebrows to be too thick. One of the things that I don't like with it is where the arch is supposed to be. Where the arch is supposed to be, it has like this little divider right here. What I do with the 2 that I play with, I clip the divider, I clip it out. That helps my pencil to glide along without the ridge of where the divider is supposed to be. For all of my fellow newbies who may be struggling with their eyebrows, I'm going to attempt to show you how you can use stencils to help you map out your eyebrows so they can look somewhat cohesive. What you're going to need for this is stencils. They don't have to be from ABH. There are other stencils. I know Amazon has some. I just happen to have the ones from ABH. You will also need a flat concealer brush. This one is from Amazon. And then I have this brush here. This is a part of the kit that is from Amazon. You'll need a concealer. I use a lighter concealer. This one is in the shade AMANDE from NARS. And then I have a darker concealer. This is from Mercier, number 7. Obviously, you'll need some kind of eyebrow pencil. That's what I normally use. Full disclosure, the pomade, you don't know how to use them. So I use the eyebrow pencil. My favorite eyebrow pencil really is the Precisely My Brow from Benefit, but I am out. I'm gonna use this here. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is their Perfect Brow Pencil, and I am using the shade. I'll have the shade on the screen because I can't see. I found in using the stencil, I found the sharper the tip of the pencil is, the better you'll be able to outline it. I prefer using the petite arch. I like to make sure that it's clean and it doesn't have any residue from the last time that I used it. So I'm gonna brush my hair in the direction that it grows. She does need a little bit of cleaning up, so I'm gonna do that. Although I can't see, so I'm gonna have to use my Fenty mirror. For this, I like to be able to look really close so I can see what I'm doing. And you know that my camera sometimes gets dark when if I have objects too close. She don't want to do it now. She's trying to make me have to be a liar. She's trying to make me have to be a liar. If it gets dark, that's all that's happening. It just got dark. You see how trying to make me have to be a liar? What else she's got on my nose? I do prefer the spoolie on this. The spoolie on this is a lot more thinner than the spoolie on this one. Just brushing it up some more. See if there are any wayward hairs. Now this is like the tricky part. Trying to get this on. Even though it already has a shape, you can still, the way you put it on, you can still kind of create the shape that you want. So I do have a mirror right here. I'm gonna have to be looking at my mirror. So if I'm not making eye contact, that's because I'm looking at my mirror. So I just kind of figure out how long I want my tail to be, how I want it to be shaped, and pretty much that's what I'm going for right there. You can't get it to stick to your face because of the skincare products that you already have on. So I have that. Now what I'm going to do with small strokes, I'm not going to do it in one fell swoop, using small strokes. I'm just gonna outline first the top and then I'll outline the bottom. I have to get a bit closer to my mirror. Then I try to connect the tail. So now I should have it outlined. So I have the outlines of what I want. I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Using the spoolie from the Precisely Bent Tip pencil, I'm going to start to get rid of the harsh line. And I'm also going to use that to distribute the product. Now I will start to fill in the areas that needs to be filled in. For the front of my eyebrows, my preference is to keep the shape exactly how my eyebrows grow. I don't brush them in like a box, whatever your preference is. And I know like so in order for it to like really show up on camera, normally it's you have to like go really dark. I personally don't like my eyebrows to be really dark, so I don't fill them in to where it looks too dark and harsh. To clean the bottom up, I use the NARS concealer. I love this brush. I've had this brush for so long, it keeps popping out, and every time it pops out, my husband is just put some glue, push it right back in. It's nice and soft. The bristles are soft and very movable. It's kind of firm, but it's also movable. Sorry if you're unable to see. I'm trying to position myself where I can see and you can see without the camera going dark. Okay, so I noticed the camera started to go dark. So now I switch over to this buffer brush. Again, this came in the same kit as that little concealer brush that I use. It's a kit I got from Amazon way back when. And I love this buffer brush because this buffer brush really is soft, and it definitely helps me to buff the concealer much better than any other buffer brush that I have, including high-end ones. I really never gotten. To clean up the top of my eyebrows, I use a concealer that is closer to my skin tone. I also have the Kevin Aucoin one, but this one is really, really thick, so I don't like using it. My fingers to help me get my arch a little bit more sharp and precise. And this is why I like this brush, because once I have the concealer on it, I can continue to use the brush to help me draw out my eyebrows and carve it out to get exactly what I want. My tail, how I want it looking. I'm trying to like buff away the concealer I use to carve it. I like to carve it, but then I don't really like the concealer showing up where I know. Great. Sometimes I'll use like a powder to set before I use my setting, my clear brow gel from ABH. I'm gonna skip that today. So I'm just gonna go in with my clear brow gel. And with the clear brow gel, I like to try to mimic hair strokes, especially in the front. I'm not calling it a tutorial, but this is how I map out and do my eyebrows using a stencil. They first cousins right now, maybe third cousins. Thank you guys so much for watching how I do my eyebrows. with my stencils, and hopefully if you're struggling, you can find a stencil and that'll help you out with your eyebrows. And until my next video, but before we get to that, make sure you hit the like and share, subscribe button, drop a comment, tell me what you think, tell me what you think. Enjoy your week, and until next time, bye.